boys and girls. Today we're going to learn some words that start with the letter K. And the K, letter K, sounds like k, k, k. Okay? So let me see if I have some pictures of things that start with the letter K. K, k, k. Now, I have to tell you, sometimes the letter C can also sound like a K. And that gets confusing because a lot of kids tell me, oh, kid starts with K. Let me write it down. Kids. Kids starts with K. A lot of kids tell me, oh, I know a word that starts with K, and they tell me the word cat, like gato, meow, meow. But cat starts with a C. Sometimes a C sounds like a K, and that makes it super confusing. But today, we're just going to look at some words and pictures that start with K. K, K, K. And it's not cat. All right. Our first one is kite. Kite. A kite is something that can fly when there's wind and you can see kites flying in the wind. Now, cat doesn't start with K, but kittens starts with K. Kittens. So cute. Meow, meow. Kittens starts with a K. How about this animal? I'm going to show you a picture of a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroos like to bounce. They jump. In your house, usually downstairs, is a kitchen. Kitchen. That's where mommy and daddy cook dinner and make your meals for the day. Maybe breakfast in the kitchen. And this is, oh, there's the word kitchen on there, and here's the word kitchen. Kitchen. Your kitchen has your refrigerator and your stove. Maybe a microwave is in your kitchen. Ah, here's another K word. Keys. You need a key to lock and unlock a door. Maybe mommy or daddy locks and unlocks your front door with the keys before they go to work and before you go to school. Okay, and then this could be in your kitchen. Ketchup. Ketchup. I have a picture of ketchup here. It's that red sauce you squeeze out. Maybe you put it on your hamburger or your hot dog or French fries. Ketchup. Ketchup. So I'm going to say the K words and then you repeat. Okay, you say. Keys. You say. Good job. I say, you say. Kitchen. Good job. Kitchen. I say, you say. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kittens. Kittens. And last but not least, kite. You say kite. Awesome job. So what you can do at home is search the house for things that start with K. And you can draw them with crayons or markers or a pencil, pen. So let's see what I could draw. What's in my house that starts with a K? Oh, I can draw my kitchen. So it has a refrigerator and the stove and the counters. And there's a microwave over here. Okay. Well, there's a picture of my kitchen. There's my refrigerator. Here's a stove and a microwave. Okay, that's my kitchen. So look around your house and see what you can find that starts with the letter K and draw it on your paper. Maybe you can find mommy or daddy's keys. Just don't lose them. They'll need them. Maybe you can find some ketchup in your refrigerator. Okay, so look around, be a detective, and see how many things you can find that start with the letter K. Can't wait to see your drawings. Bye!